In today's lesson, I will discuss domain and range of discrete and continuous relations and functions. The domain is the set of all the possible x values of that relation or function. And the range is the set of all the possible y values. So domain, x values, range, y values. So the domain and the range of this table, so we know that the domain is going to be the x value. So in this case, you just want to put the x values in the squiggly bracket from the least value to the maximum value. So the least value in this case is -1, okay? Then followed by 2, followed by 3, and followed by 4. And that's it. So for the range, this is the y values, and you want to arrange it from the minimum value to the maximum value. So the minimum in this case is -3, followed by -2, followed by 0, and followed by +1. And that's it. So when you are given the mapping, the first values in mapping is always the x values or the domain, and the second, where the first value maps to, that's the y or the range. So in this case, the domain will be -1, 1, 2, 3. If you look at the mapping, you can see that 1 repeats twice. That is, 1 maps to -1, 1 also maps to 0, but we don't care about that whenever we are writing domain and range. You just want to write the values only one time. So the range, in this case too, you need to order it from the minimum to the maximum, okay? 0, 2. Value of 2 maps to both 2 and 3. So 2 maps to 2, and 3 both also maps to 2. When you are writing the range, only write the 2 one time, and that's it, okay? So for the third example, we are given this discrete graph. So we want to find the domain. The domain will be the x value. So we are going to concentrate first on the x value, okay? So that's the domain. So in this case, the minimum value of the domain is this -4. So the x value of this point is -4, followed by this point, which is -2, followed by this point, which is 0, then followed by this point. So you can see that 2 point belongs to 2, okay, but write it only once. Then you have 3, okay, then you have this 4, okay, 3, 4. So that's the domain. So the domain is -4, -2, 0, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then the range now will be the y values, okay? So we want to focus on the vertical axis, which is the y axis. So for the range, you are starting from the minimum value again. The minimum value in this case is -3, then followed by this -2, followed by this point, which is 0, then followed by 1, and you can see that 2 points belongs to 1, but just write it only once, and then 2 points belongs to 3, just write it only once. So that's 3, okay, and that's it.